90% of the shower leaks I get called out to fix have nothing to do with the tile. The tile is fine. The grout is fine. The problem is a layer nobody sees, buried behind the wall, that somebody rushed. Today I'm walking you through how a professional waterproofs a shower, the order of operations, the two membrane systems pros actually use, and the mistake that costs homeowners a full tear-out 5 years later. Waterproofing starts with slope, not with product. Water only moves one direction, and that direction is downhill. Before any membrane goes down, we build a pre-slope into the mortar bed, a 1/4 inch of fall per foot from the walls to the drain. Skip the pre-slope and water sits flat on your liner, soaks the mud bed, and turns into mold and that smell you can never track down. Slope first, always. Now the waterproofing itself, you have two families. Sheet membranes, a bonded fabric sheet you set into thin set over the entire shower, and liquid membranes, a roll-on coating you build up in 2 coats to a solid pinhole-free film. Both of them work. Both of them fail the same way, at the corners, at the drain, and at the seams. That is why pros band every inside corner and every seam before the field ever gets touched. The flat part of the wall is not where showers leak. Curbless showers in wet rooms are the biggest request I get in 2026, and they are the least forgiving thing you can build. No curb means nothing is holding the water back except your slope and your membrane. So the waterproofing has to run out past the shower opening. The floor has to be recessed and pitched before you ever think about tile, and every transition has to be sealed. Done right, it is beautiful. Rushed, it is a ceiling repair downstairs. Then the tile goes on, and in 2026 that usually means large format, 24 by 48. Gauged panels, fewer grout joints, less to clean. But the bigger the tile, the more a flat substrate matters. Back butter every piece, get full coverage with no hollow spots, and run a leveling system so you land at 0 lippage. Big tile is not harder, it just tells on you faster. So that is the order. Slope, then membrane, then corners and seams, then tile. Get those 4 right and that shower will outlive the house. If you want real tile breakdowns from a working contractor every week, this is the channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up.